Ladies and gentlemen, behind me is an extremely rare Liberty coach, and today I have the honor of showing you all this coach. Huge thank you to the RV Glass Guru for sponsoring today's video. The RV Glass Guru specializes in RV windshield replacement and foggy window repair. They have a team of certified installers nationwide that can do RV windshield replacement. If you have a foggy window that needs to be repaired, they have a team of certified technicians in the Arizona area, all the way from Yuma to Quartzsite to Phoenix to Tucson. Tell RV Glass Guru that Andrew Steele sent you and they'll give you $100 off. They also offer additional discounts for anybody that has served as a veteran in law enforcement or any other public service. We greatly appreciate all of you that have served our country. This coach is for sale here at Arizona Luxury Coach in Phoenix, Arizona. This is one of the last coaches with the Detroit Series 60, which is pre-DEF. And this is also one of the first coaches that had lithium-ion batteries. The lithium-ion batteries were actually replaced recently. Garaged its entire life. It's got bus air, the 20 kW generator. The overall package of this coach is just absolutely incredible. This entryway is so inviting with the cool lighting, with the contrast of the two-tone leather. And I will point out that the Liberty Coach entryway is going to be a little bit wider than the typical Prevost entryways, with just a stunning design. Now this coach is a 2011, so it's going to have a lot of the newer upgrades. It has a tire pressure monitoring system. You've got the GPS system here. Absolutely beautiful two-toned leather. And look at the condition of this steering wheel. I am just amazed at how a 10-year-old bus looks and feels like it is brand new. Beautiful warm colors that really tie together with wood flooring that goes throughout the entire coach. And one of the unique things about this coach is it actually has a booth dinette here, which a lot of the other Liberty coaches don't have this style booth here. Really makes it unique. I'm a big fan of the kind of chocolate brown leather and the light wood floors, a great contrast. This coach has a Miele microwave, which is actually positioned lower, so it's a little bit easier to access. The built-in Keurig coffee maker here. Just absolutely stunning design by Liberty Coach. And I love all of the cool features they do, like the paper towel roll here. It's in this cabinet, and then you can conveniently get your paper towel from right there. Just another one of those features that Liberty Coach thinks of to make your life a little bit easier. This is really cool. There's actually a swing down TV in this corner of the coach, so when you're going down the road, you can have a TV down. And then there's another large swing down TV that will swing down right here in the front of the coach. And just every square inch of this coach is completely finished. I love just looking at all of the seams and all the detail work. Look at that woodwork and how the leather and wood come together with no seam. The same wood floor throughout the side out. Hard to believe that this is 10 years old because this woodwork, it looks like it's brand new. Completely set up with the iPad interface system, really makes life a lot easier. I'm so curious. I've got to open all these little doors to see what's behind this stuff because there's just so much cool stuff. The Crestron panel, I like that as soon as I opened the door, the Crestron panel lit up. You've got all of your control systems. And this has the Octoplex system. Full-size residential refrigerator. And then the Jack and Jill doors in the bathroom here. And completely finished from floor to ceiling. I like to point out, like, look at a toilet in any other production coaches. They literally finish every square inch of this coach. There is no square inch left unfinished. Extremely difficult craftsmanship, all of the detail work, as well as the curves in the woodwork, as well as the countertops. And you can just tell that this is the highest quality of fixtures. And one of the things that I just love pointing out in every one of these Liberty coaches is the piano hinge. So there's a few advantages to this. Not only is this just way overbuilt and way more industrial than you need, but you can actually push this door backwards. So if it's open, I'm a pretty big size guy, and when this door is open backwards, I can actually walk through here. Just another really cool feature, and you can feel how solid that is. Just a solid wood door. Every time I walk through one of these Liberty coaches, I am just so impressed with all of the craftsmanship and the build quality. They really strive to be at the top of the game, and this is just an honor to be able to see inside of this coach. So full tile shower here, and I'll point out too the condition of the glass. I always look for hard water spots on glass. I do not see any hard water, and that really is a testament for how the previous owner cared for this coach when they made sure that there's no hard water on the shower there. There's also some sort of a water filtration system in this coach that keeps the water a lot cleaner, which probably makes it a lot easier for that previous owner to clean. But I can't say that I've been in too many 10-year-old coaches that don't have any water spots on the shower doors. It's very rare to find a coach in this condition. Very well use of the space for closet space, and Liberty Coach finishes everything out. I really like that this light turned on as soon as I opened the closet, and you'll notice that it's completely finished with a really high-end carpet. It even has a laundry hamper that pulls out here, and when you open and close this, you can just feel the build quality. Whoa, this is even a piano hinge on the closet door. I thought that was only on the bathroom door. That's on the closet door as well, floor to ceiling. The beautiful sink area here in the back bedroom. This copper sink just is a really cool design that just ties everything together really well. This sink does need to be polished, but it will look like a penny when it's done. And the same wood floor throughout the entire coach. One of the things I really like about the Liberty coaches is all of the lighting. You'll notice the ambient lighting below the bed and then along the floor there as well, and just all different lighting in different places of the coach that really give it a nice feel. I believe this is a bedroom super slide, which gives it just a huge feeling back here. I've been in a lot of different coaches, but for a double slide coach, this bedroom is huge. Opening all this stuff, I want to know what's behind all these beautiful doors. I mean, literally, like, just this closet door is a piece of artwork. You've got like an ostrich skin with a wood finish, and every square inch. Look at how industrial this hardware is. Completely lighted when you open and close the door. Got this huge Crestron pad here at the side of the bed so you can control everything from the bed. Super cool lights. Liberty Coach really picks out awesome finishes. Wade bed liner with a diamond pattern. And then another Crestron pad on the other side of the bed as well. Crestron controls on both sides of the bed so everybody can be happy. So much cabinet space back here. But I have to point out that even though this looks like it's all finished because you've got cool textures, it's almost like this wall is like a piece of artwork, but then behind it, you've got all kinds of storage space. And again, the light turns on as soon as you open that cabinet, completely finished, every square inch of this coach. So this coach has a washer and dryer here in the rear of the coach. This is a Bosch, really a nice location back here to do your laundry in the bedroom, and another huge wardrobe closet here. And then when you open and close these doors, you can just feel the build quality. And I don't think the camera's even seeing it, but there's even like a pattern in the carpeting. You can tell that that carpeting is really high quality. A huge thanks to the folks at Arizona Luxury Coach for letting me take a look at this stunning 2011 Prevost Liberty Coach. This coach is for sale for $899,000. Greatly appreciate all of you watching today's video, and I hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.